In this series of recordings, we'll be reviewing and showing you how to use templates and explaining to you exactly what they are. We'll show you the drag and drop templates, operation templates, process templates, all the different types of templates that we have and where they can be used. Well, what exactly is a template? Well, a template is very simple. It's a safe set of operation parameters and strategies and settings that can be reused to streamline and standardize your CAM programming processes. Templates help you quickly apply proven machining strategies to new parts, reducing programming time and minimizing mistakes. In general, there are two different types of templates. There are what we call operation templates, where it's basically one single operation, and you're creating a template out of that operation. And another one is process templates, where you can have a series of operations and group them into what we call a process templates. Now, templates do not contain geometries itself. What they do have is a set of parameters that you can apply to specific geometries. Now, within a template, you can save tool parameters. You can even save certain geometry filters that will allow you to make your automation of picking geometries a lot more classified for a specific type of template. In our next set of recordings, I'll show you exactly where you can create templates, where they are saved, how to use the templates in all different types of scenarios.